So today we will know about the patency test, that is that sac patency test. Okay, so first of all we will inject 4% lignocaine in the conjunctival sac to anesthetize the patient. Okay, then we will take a syringe which contains 5 ml of distilled water. Okay, then with a punctum dilator we will dilate the lower puncta. Okay, then we will take the 5 ml distilled water containing syringe and we will inject the 5 ml distilled water and see whether the patency of the nasolacrimal duct and the lacrimal apparatus is present or not. Now first, if the fluid, that is the distilled water, it passes through the inferior puncta, then canaliculi, common canaliculi, the nasolacrimal sac and nasolacrimal duct, then it will goes into the nasopharynx. This means the patency of the lacrimal apparatus is present. But if it is not patent, it means there can be obstruction in the nasolacrimal duct or in the common canaliculi. Then two situations will arise. Now if there is blockage in the common canaliculi, then the distilled water, when given injected through the inferior puncta, it will go and it will quickly regurgitate from the upper puncta. Okay, and it does not contain any pus, so it will be a clear fluid with no pus and it will be a rapid regurgitation. That means the obstruction is in the common canaliculi. Now if the second interpretation is that if the 5 ml distilled water is injected through the inferior puncta and it slowly regurgitate from the upper puncta with pus, that means the fluid has gone into the nasolacrimal duct and there is a obstruction in the nasolacrimal duct, so the fluid will regurgitate and here there is pus accumulation, so it will regurgitate through the upper puncta and there will be slow regurgitation. Okay, thank you.